Hello students, welcome to Startup classes. We are now discussing disconnection of carbonyl compounds, and we are basically considering over here 1 comma 2 difunctionalized carbonyl compounds, and so the disconnection type will be 1 comma 2 DIX. What is the molecule? It is Nu. So these are basically carbonyl groups which are derivatized at the alpha position. Okay. This is what we are discussing. So now here, if this is the 1, then this is the 2 position. The disconnection that we are doing over here is 1 comma 2 DIX. So we'll basically break this bond over here. What are the synthers that we will get? It will be Nu minus plus so the plus sign is over the alpha carbon. These are our synthons. For Nu minus, we will say it is going to be either NuH, the reagent, and for the CH2 plus CH2 plus COR, we will have the reagent alpha halo carbonyl. Okay, so this is our alpha halo carbonyl. So let us consider the retrosynthetic analysis of a herbicide, which is basically called 2,4 D herbicide. What is the structure of the molecule? This is how it looks. So this is our carbonyl group over here. Now if we have to disconnect, we have to consider this to be 1 and that to be 2. So this is the bond that we will break, and we will write as 1 comma 2 DIX. Okay, and so basically we have this type of a derivatized phenoxide ion. So this is our, so what is the synthon? We will say Cl CH2. So the reagent for the synthon, this one, that is this one, is the alpha halo carboxylic acid, and this type of alpha halo carboxylic acid can be easily produced by HVZ reaction, that is Hale-Wohlert-Zielinski reaction, okay, from acetic acid. And the reagent for this type of a phenoxide obviously will be this, which can be further disconnected. So we are doing basically CX disconnection of, and we will say this is basically halogenation, and that will give us a simpler unit, which is basically the phenol over here. So when we are considering the synthesis of the target material, say we are calling this to be as 1 for this lecture. So we are synthesizing the target molecule 1. So we will say it is basically the phenol, which is a highly reactive system for electrophilic substitution reaction. So if you treat this with iron in presence of chlorine, then because of the plus M effect, that is OH being a orthopara directing group, electrophilic substitution will happen at the ortho and para positions. Okay, this when treated with NaOH, it will lead to the formation of what? The phenoxide ion, which can further act as a nucleophile towards this alpha halo acid, and so we will get the target material 1 from this type of a synthetic process. Okay. Next, we will be considering the disconnection approach for 1,3 difunctionalized compounds in which I would like to suggest it is better to consider the Michael reaction out here. While we are disconnecting the molecule. So the synthons over here are Michael acceptors, which are basically the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyls, or they can be cyanides, or they can be nitro compounds. So let us consider such a molecule. So we are suppose having this type of a molecule, which if we disconnect 1,3 type DIX, then this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, so we will disconnect over here. So we are getting Nu minus, and we have the plus charge out here, and for that the reagent will be the alpha beta unsaturated ketone, and this is some NuH, a reagent, or we can consider a cyanide. Again we will say this is 1, 2, 3, disconnect over here. So basically we are doing out here 1,3 DIX. Then again we have Nu minus, which is going to be forming some reagent NuH, and we have the alpha beta unsaturated nitrile, alpha beta unsaturated nitrile as our reagent. Okay. Interestingly, we know and we have learned before that CH2NH2 can be converted by functional group interchange to a cyano group. So molecules of this type, where also we have the Nu at a 3 position, so we can think of a disconnection at the 3 position via converting this molecule into a, so what we have to do is convert this molecule into a cyano unit and then think disconnection over here. So this is not very easy to identify, but if you have a CH2NH2 and we have a functionality at the 3 position, then do a FGI, which will convert the CHNH2 into a CN, okay, and then do as we have done over here. So let us consider the difficult one. Okay, that is the CH2NH2. So let us consider a retrosynthetic analysis of a molecule of the type, say, RO, this. Now what is the connectivity of RO in respect to NH2? It is 1, 2, 3. So this is where we have to do the FGI, which will convert the molecule to this type of molecule. So we have done FGI to convert the CH2NH2 into C triple bond N, that is a cyano group. Now again we have a relationship of what, 1, 2 and 3. So disconnect over here. So this is basically 1, 3 DIX, and we have the synthons RO minus, this is plus out here. So what are the reagents that we can think of? Alpha beta unsaturated cyano group, and we have a ROH. Okay, so that is what we will say. Now when we are talking about the synthesis of this molecule, what do we need to do? Basically we will treat the ROH with Na plus. That will give us what? RO minus Na plus, that is the alkoxide. And that if we treat with the alpha beta unsaturated cyanide, then this will undergo Michael addition, that is 1,4 type Michael addition reaction. Okay, and eventually that will lead to the formation of the target molecule, which is, or the precursor to the target molecule, which is this one, which if we reduce with the lithium aluminum hydride, okay, and work it up with water, that will give us the desired target material, that is this. Okay, let us consider another one over here. So we are saying analysis of this type of a molecule, which is so what do? We do FGI, the molecule will get converted to what? Triple bond N. We do 1,3 type of disconnection. So what do we get over here? That is this one, and plus this one. Starting material will be what? This. For this one, what we will think? Alright. And while we were considering the synthesis of this target molecule, say out here for this lecture we are considering it to be 2, then we will simply say we will have this cycloheptanol treated with Na, leading to the formation of the alkoxide, which is being treated with alpha beta unsaturated cyano compound, undergoing 1,4 type of Michael addition reaction, leading to the formation of this type of a compound which can be further reduced using lithium aluminum hydride, and we will get the target molecule too. Thanks for listening and keep visiting Software classes for the next part, which is going to be CX disconnection of amines. Have a great day.